What's up, folks? This your boy DT 2.0, and today we just have a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G in the gold color. I already not unboxed, but I already reviewed the black Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G here on my channel, but I really didn't like that one because it was a fingerprint magnet and it was just slippery as hell. So I'm hoping that this one, which has the matte backing on it, is grippy like the iPhone 12 Pro Max that I reviewed, and that has the grippy sides, and it doesn't take as much fingerprints. All right, so you already know my impressions of this phone in general. I really like it. I really enjoy it. I just didn't like the color. So I went back online. I requested to return it, and then when I went to buy this one, there were different incentives to buy this. When I bought mine, there was nothing to my original one, the black one. There was no incentives with that. It's just buy the phone. They take the trade in, and then they knock the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G down. This time they gave me $100 to spend. So with that, I bought the leather cover to go with it. So it was free. I probably wouldn't have paid $79 for this shit, but we'll see when I open it up. But when it's free 50, you got to take it. So I'll be opening up this one too, and then see how it fits on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. So here we go. I already cut the sides of it, so no big ass unboxing knife to have here. It is what it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slide it out here. I do notice a difference that the Z here is gold instead of black on the original one. So, and I really like the presentation is what they call it. Throw that shit over there because it's a $2,000 phone technically. So could I get a little bit of presentation? So with this, we open up the crypt, and of course you get change the shape of the future, which this is some futuristic shit. Reimagining the possibility of the smartphone experience. They definitely did that with this phone, and I said that in my video that I was thoroughly impressed with the quality, especially of the hinge and the build quality of the phone as a whole. So we're gonna go ahead and put that over there. Of course, you get your box full of books and probably a SIM injector tool in here somewhere. Yeah. Well, it's a big ass box and nothing in here. Oh, it's just a waste of space. SIM ejector tool and some thin ass instructions in here. So yeah, it is what it is. And then here we have the main attraction, and I feel this the exact same as I did when I opened up the black one, except this is that gold, and everybody know, black and gold. I'm a Saints fan, so this gold is with this black is just hitting. To me, it looks a little rose gold-ish, so I thought it was a little bit more regular gold, kind of like the Apple Watch I have here. But hey, it is what it is. So we're gonna set that to the side real quick and see what else we got in here. Premier service. So this is where you get your, I guess, one-time $149 screen replacement, and I heard it was like $600 or $700 to get it repaired when it out of warranty. What I did was I went on ahead and paid the $12 a month for the protection plan, because this phone, let's just face it, while the build quality is good and it's nice and heavy and it feels like it could be worth $2,000, it is fragile. So it is what it is. In here, unlike the iPhone, you actually get a charging brick, and it's got some weight on it. So Samsung super fast charging brick. And then in here, there's your USB-C cable, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. So something that looks fancy on the inside. So we'll put this back in there. I almost never use the USB-C cables because I have some already. So here we are. What I'll probably do, just like I did on my last one, is take the screen protectors off. I won't do it on video right now, just in case I fuck it up. I want to be right in front of the phone when I take it off, and not try to do it while I'm on camera. But the part everybody likes, and I like too, is to peel off this plastic. Hopefully I don't drop this mug. And I can already feel the difference in the back. Throw that to the side. I can already feel the difference in the back. It is it's not as slippery, and you can kind of hear it, right? I'm gonna go ahead and fold it for the first time, and bam. I'm telling you, this looks like a piece of jewelry, to be honest with you. I really like this matte black on the matte black, this matte gold on the back, and I like it the way it goes with the extra shiny camera modules on in the back there. So I'm really digging this phone. The color, you know, like I said, it is what it is. But at the end of the day, it's better than that slippery black one, right? Even the fingerprints on the edges right here are easy to wipe off. And of course, the spine fingerprint is a fingerprint magnet. Now, if they made the back like this, I probably would have just kept the black one. But because they didn't, and this is a little bit easier to clean because I could just rub it across my my pants or my shirt. And it's, to be honest with you, it's not really taking as many fingerprints as it did in my iPhone as I touch it up, right? So, yeah, good on them. I don't know if that was they meant it to be that way, right? But yeah, I really like it. I really like it. All right, so again, I'm not gonna power this up and do anything like that because you've already seen it in my video. But what I am gonna do is fold it real quick and then open up, put it to the side, and then open up this leather cover, which probably nobody bought at full value, but everybody bought when they gave them the free $100 or $200. It's probably gonna be more than that on Black Friday or around Black Friday, even though they're advertising that they have their Black Friday deals going on right now. But anyway, so here it is, real simple case. You know, again, at least it comes in a box that makes it feel like it's worth $79, I guess. Yeah. You know, and to be honest, and it's crazy that this is probably less leather than the case on my iPhone, but at the same time, it costs more because never mind, because the leather one for the iPhone is a little bit more than the silicone one. So here it is. I like the way that brown, it almost matches it. I thought it would match it a little bit better, but it is what it is. And then we just snap that on. See that fits on there, and it just goes on there, right? It feels, kind of like that, right? And as with these leather cases, as you use them, they'll get a little bit less slippery, right? What do they call it? The patine effect. So it'll get mucked up and scratched up as I use it, but it protects it a little bit. But again, it didn't come with anything for the front, so I had to figure out what I would do in the front. I do have another case, plastic case to put on here. Maybe I'll take that plastic cover and then put it on the front one so I can set it down like that. But at least I don't have to make a choice, like I said in my video, whether I want to set it on the screen or on the cameras, because as you can see right here, it's kind of flush with or makes it flush where the table or whatever you set it down on won't. Yeah, there's a little rock in there where it won't hit the camera, and I'm pretty sure I got that on there pretty good, and there's still a little rock in there. Oh, there you go. Never mind. My bad. So still a little rock, just a tad bit rock. But at any rate, it makes it a little bit more grippy. It makes it a little bit more secure in your hand when you're using it folded, but not so much when you're using it unfolded, because now there's an unevenness in the back. But I like it. I really like this color, and this is probably the one I'm going to keep. So I'm going to go ahead on and enjoy this phone, and hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions about it, just let me know. Hit me up in the comments. This DT 2.0. Thanks for watching.